black and slate color
Galaxy S4. Here we have
version. So you
another unboxing,
can see this white one comes in a neat
and as you can tell via the
white box, and there's very little on the box.
black band across the middle of the
Tone white and silver version itself. There's an angled shot of the phone on the front, iPhone 5 written in silver on each.
iPhone 5s doesn't come preloaded with reason number 25. As we demonstrate, carrier apps or bloatware installed in our speed test, the iPhone 5s with its 64 that you may not want or use. 9-bit A7 processor loaded both apps and routine from just about anywhere. You can copy web pages faster than the Galaxy S4. And for mark paste, on the iPhone 5s, you have the runs a little bit smoother in general as well. Option to have selected text read back to you, which can be a useful experience with the two devices.